Now to the State Department of Education, where the state school board members took time out of their Friday for an emergency meeting.
2 items on the agenda addressing legal issues the board has been involved with. News 4's Spencer Humphrey was there.
Well, a short and sweet state school board meeting today, in and out of here in just about an hour. Something interesting at this meeting, though, for the first time, they let a state legislator sit in on the board's executive session discussions.
The largest budgetary item in the state of Oklahoma is the State Department of Ed.
And we told you earlier this year that was why State Senator Mary Boren wanted to exercise her right as a legislator to sit in on the Oklahoma State Board of Education's executive session discussions. But you may remember the board's legal counsel disagreed, stopping Boren and other legislators from entering those discussions the past few months. So Boren asked Attorney General Drummond for his formal opinion.
And the reason why we needed the Attorney General to answer and to keep showing up is because I wanted all state legislators to be able to have access to that option to provide that kind of oversight.
Drummond sided with Boren, ordering the board to allow her and other legislators into the executive sessions. Then his office chose not to renew the board's contract with their legal counsel, who stopped legislators from entering, and appointed a member of the AG's legal staff to give the board advice until they found someone new. And Friday, the board voted to hire a lawyer from a Tulsa law firm as their new legal counsel. And that firm just happens to be representing State Superintendent Ryan Walters in his personal capacity as part of a defamation suit Bixby Public Schools Superintendent Rob Miller filed against him. Now, whether that's legally a conflict of interest is a bit of a gray area, says Boren, who's a lawyer herself.
Hopefully the Attorney General is considering that when they approve that application for them to the new lawyers to represent the Board of Education.
Friday's second order of business, an executive session discussion about the ongoing lawsuit the board is facing over its Bible mandate. This time, Republican State Rep Dick Lowe showed up, hoping to sit in on it.
I have 40,000 people at home that I represent. I'm responsible for them, and especially my background in education, they feel like I should be here.
And they actually let him in.
The law was followed today. Okay. And I think it's good for the State Department of Education as well as for legislature for all Oklahoma.
As for Boren,
It's always good when the law's followed.
she hopes it's a sign of things to come.
I'm very encouraged that hopefully this is a new trend. Maybe the page did get turned on one or two things after the election.
In Oklahoma City, Spencer Humphrey, Oklahoma's News 4.
We wanted to speak with State Superintendent Ryan Walters. However, he did not take any questions once the board meeting wrapped up.